Have you ever pondered how to change your holiday decorations into something sleek, trendy, and distinctively modern? Traditional reds and greens are timeless, but there's something special about embracing modern trends that combine elegance and holiday cheer. Modern holiday decor allows you to create a sophisticated yet warm setting that feels fresh and inviting, with options ranging from minimalistic designs and sustainable choices to strong accent colors and high-tech features. The alternatives are unlimited when it comes to redesigning your tree or your dining table. In this video, we'll look at imaginative and elegant ways to take your holiday decor to the next level. Minimalistic holiday aesthetics. Minimalistic decor is ideal for generating a relaxing and modern holiday atmosphere. Embrace simplicity by choosing neutral tones such as white, beige, and gray, accentuated with gold or silver. Replace typical holiday decorations with sleek and basic alternatives like plain glass ornaments and monochrome candles. Maintain an airy style by incorporating clean lines and uncomplicated compositions. Avoid overcrowding the space with decor. Instead, allow crucial pieces to stand out. A minimalist design not only emanates elegance, but it also emphasizes the warmth and excitement of the festive season without overpowering the senses. Statement lighting. Lighting is essential in holiday decor, and statement lighting can transform your festive ambiance. To create a focal point, consider using LED string lights, huge Edison bulbs, or elegant pendant lights. Use dimmable choices to increase adaptability and set the mood for different events. To enhance the space, place these lights around the tree, mantle, or even in eating rooms. Invest in energy-efficient lamps to add an environmentally beneficial touch. The perfect lighting elevates your decor from ordinary to spectacular, combining functionality and beauty while keeping your area warm and inviting for family and guests. Geometric ornaments. Geometric ornaments are a popular addition to modern Christmas decorations. Replace standard round ornaments with novel shapes such as triangles, hexagons, and 3D pyramids. These ornaments, made of glass, metal, or wood, lend a sophisticated touch to your tree. Pair them with minimalist ribbons or lights to make their structure stand out. Geometric shapes are adaptable and may complement a variety of styles, from Scandinavian minimalism to industrial chic. Their clean lines and contemporary appeal make them an excellent alternative for individuals wishing to break away from typical holiday aesthetics while yet keeping a festive vibe. Sustainable decor options. Sustainability is a developing trend in modern Christmas decor, and choosing eco-friendly options can be both fashionable and responsible. Choose reusable decorations made from durable materials such as wood, glass, or fabric. Replace disposable wrapping paper with something recyclable or reusable, like fabric wrap or craft paper. Incorporate natural items such as dried flowers, pine cones, or branches to add organic appeal to your room. Energy-efficient LED lighting and solar-powered choices are fantastic ways to reduce environmental impact. Choosing ecological decor not only creates a modern appearance, but also helps to preserve the planet for future festivities. Accent colors. Modern holiday decor frequently incorporates unusual accent colors that stray from the typical red and green palette. For a strong, fashionable look, use tones such as blush pink, teal, navy, or black. Metallic accents like gold, silver, or rose gold can boost the entire look and bring elegance to your area. To create a unified theme, use these colors into ornaments, table settings, and wall decor. Accent colors bring new energy to holiday decorations, allowing you to express your particular style while also adopting modern design trends that distinguish traditional festive arrangements. Modern wreath designs. Traditional wreaths are given a contemporary twist with eye-catching designs. Instead of the usual evergreen wreath, make asymmetrical arrangements with dried flowers, eucalyptus, or succulents. Metal hoops embellished with simple ornaments, like as ribbons or geometric accents, convey sophistication. Consider using unorthodox materials such as wire, wood, or felt to make a dramatic statement. Create focal points by hanging these wreaths on walls, windows, or doors. Modern wreath designs are versatile and may match a wide range of interior styles, from industrial to boho, making them an attractive addition to your holiday decor collection. Personalized touches. Personalized decorations add warmth and meaning to modern holiday decor. Customized stockings, ornaments, or gift tags with names, dates, or messages for a personal touch. Display family photos in festive frames or as part of garlands. Create DIY decorations that reflect your personality, such as painted canvases or handmade centerpieces. Personalized touches make your space feel unique and inviting, fostering a deeper connection to the holiday spirit. They also serve as great conversation starters and cherished keepsakes, adding sentimental value to your festive celebrations while aligning with contemporary design trends. Textural elements, adding texture to your Christmas decor, adds depth and coziness, improving the entire look. Warm up your living space with faux fur throws, velvet cushions, or knitted blankets. Include textured ornaments made of felt, wood, or ceramic for variation. Layering textures on tables such as linen runners, metallic chargers, and glassware adds refinement. Textural contrasts, such as blending soft materials with dazzling metals or natural wood, add visual interest. This method is especially effective in modern settings, where minor details have a big impact, creating a cozy yet stylish, joyful environment. Tabletop elegance, a modern Christmas table combines functionality and sophistication. Begin with a neutral background, such as a white tablecloth, and add layers of metallic chargers, fine china, and crystal glassware. To keep the appearance streamlined, incorporate a centerpiece with candles, foliage, or minimalist ornaments. To add charm, tie cloth napkins with colorful ribbons or simple metallic rings. Instead of cluttering the table with decorations, concentrate on balance and symmetry. A well-designed holiday table improves the eating experience by impressing visitors and reflecting the modern style of your holiday festivities. Unique Christmas trees. Modern Christmas trees provide new alternatives to traditional styles. Wall-mounted trees with lights, wooden constructions, or minimalist metal trees are excellent space-saving solutions. Monochromatic artificial trees in vivid hues such as white, black, or metallic tints have a strong visual impact. Decorate these trees with matching decorations to create a harmonious effect. Use unusual materials such as books, photographs, or plants to create a tree-inspired display. Unique Christmas trees are perfect for modern homes, allowing you to break away from tradition while maintaining the festive spirit with a fresh and artistic flair. Conclusion: modern Christmas decor combines elegance, innovation, and a personal touch to reinvent festive events. There are numerous ways to create a trendy and appealing ambiance, ranging from sleek minimalism and geometric embellishments to sustainable options and bright color palettes. You may create a modern holiday refuge that amazes guests and creates pleasant moments by combining personalized touches, statement lighting, and distinctive textures. Modern trends inspire new and festive ways for decorating your tree or dining table. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment for more inspirational holiday decorating ideas.